I don't understand how they can articulate. That's just doesn't make sense.
Hello.
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 Shoo.
Yeah.
There we go. I know. There we go. That's what you wanted. That's why you were grumpy. Come on, let it go. Can't get them off. You're holding on to it. There we go. Oh, you're hungry. Oh, you're so hungry.
Can you just actually just push this?
I know.
I'm going to take the whole top off it. So there's little clips here, so we need to
You're
push
just
this
keeping
side
going.
and get the
You're
clips
good.
off so that we can clean it out. So yeah, push it and yeah.
Okay. One more and I think you're good. I don't think you're
I love the flapping and the screaming between each one.
Okay. It's alright.
It was fed at around our lunchtime, so 2. Oh wow, wait, no, we fed at 2. We fed it 3 times, so 4.
He's due at 4.
Yeah, so now 10 minutes.
And I'd already fed him once in the morning.
You fed him. Hey, you're okay. Love it for me, so
I just say they're better looking than those.